leaders who are claiming that some land, like now Kapedo, some people they are saying they have been here for 100 years. Let's not bring this country into chaos.
The situation in the North Rift is volatile now. Even as we speak, war is going on in Turkana East and Turkana South in some parts. It is no longer cattle rustling as usual. It is now including land. We've lost many Kenyans because of land. We've lost many Kenyans because of reckless utterances from some leaders.
I had my colleague, who is a friend of mine, Honorable Kamuket, who was there the other day last week, talking about the issue of Kapedo, which is in my concerns. He talked about the court making the ruling on Kapedo issue to be in Baringo. They can go in a village and announce that this is the boundary for this tribe and this tribe, or this community and this community. So let's stop misleading Kenyans, talking about the Senate, talking about God. Let's respect God.
We want to plead with our government. We want to plead with CS Kindiki. Please, 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 CS Kindiki, do it, give it the last shot. Give it the best shot. We are tired of losing people.